Cleaner jobs in Finland earn up to 205,400 with DMW accredited agencies. May experience ka na ba as a cleaner dito sa Pilipinas or baka gusto mo namang mag-explore ng bagong career abroad? Baka ito na talaga ang sign mo. Finland is now hiring for Filipino cleaners at meron ng approved job orders under DMW. Hello mga karikrod, I'm Jen and in this video, aalamin natin kung paano mag-apply, magkano ang average salary, at syempre, ang listahan ng DMW accredited agencies na pwede nyong applyan dito sa Pilipinas. Alam niyo ba na kilala ang Finland sa high-quality work environment, good salaries, strong labor rights, at super healthy work-life balance? Plus, tumaas talaga ang demand for foreign workers, including Filipinos, sa healthcare, IT, services, at cleaning industry. Kung natandaan nyo, noong September 18, 2025, pinagtibay pa ng Pilipinas at Finland ng kanilang partnership through the Agreement on Skilled Workers Mobility. Ibig sabihin, mas pinapadali ang pagpasok ng Filipino workers sa Finland. Disclaimer, Recruit PH is not affiliated with any recruitment agency or organization. All information is for educational purposes only and we encourage you to verify all details before applying. Narito ang ilan sa mga common cleaner-related positions sa Finland. Cleaner or general cleaner, responsible for maintaining cleanliness in offices, homes, and public facilities. Window cleaner, nakafocus naman sila sa cleaning of glass panels and building exteriors. Industrial cleaner, cleaning in factories or production areas. And hotel cleaner or housekeeper, maintaining a cleanliness in rooms and hotel area. And lastly, sanitation worker, cleaning in hospitals, care facilities, kitchen, at iba pa. So, job orders. Alam ko lagi niyong naririnig ang salitang job order, pero ano ba talaga ito? Ang job order ay official request ng employer from abroad, submitted to DMW para mag-hire ng Filipinos workers. So, important ito kasi proof ito na legal ang hiring. Makikita dito ang available positions, basihan ito ng DMW bago payagan ang deployment. Ngayon, alam nyo na ang purpose ng job order. Punta na tayo sa pinaka-exciting part, ang salary. Ang cleaner salary range ayon sa expert.com, ang average salary ng cleaner sa Finland nasa 17 euro per hour at nasa 2,992 euro per month, equivalent sa 205,000 pesos monthly. Pero, syempre, mag-iiba pa rin yan, depende sa level mo. So, ito yung mga kadalasang level ng position. For entry-level window cleaner, 1 to 3 years experience, around 27,699 euro per year. Ang average window cleaner naman ay nasa 35,797 euro per year. And ang senior level naman ay nasa 8 plus years experience up to 42,240 euro per year. So, mas matagal kang experience, mas mataas ang posibleng earnings mo. At may bonus pa sila yearly around 408 euro on average. So, for agencies naman, narito ilan sa mga DMW accredited agencies na may job order for Finland as of current data. Para siya International Employment Resources Agency Incorporation, AML and GS Placement Enterprises Company Incorporation, Jobs Connect Manpower Agency Incorporation, Lifelinks International Resources Incorporation, God's Will International Placement Incorporation, PhilHR Manpower Deployment and Services Specialist Corporation. So, yan nga mga agency. So, reminder guys, you should still double-check the agencies dahil nagbabago ang job order from time to time ayon sa DMW. Ang listahan ng job orders based sa active job orders in the past 2 years, remaining slots after i-deduct ang applicants na na-process na. So guys, yung vacancies may close anytime once yung agency is naka-accept na po ng enough applicants. Kaya kung tingin mong fit ka, grab mo na agad. Hindi nagtatagal ang slot sa Finland, guys. So, for the qualifications and requirements, ito naman ang common requirements pero take note, magdidepende pa rin to sa mga agency. Ito lang yung mga basic na kinakailangan para at least ma-prepare nyo na ahead of time. So, updated resume with detailed job description, employment certificate, certificate of training or seminars, valid passport, NBI clearance, and 3 pieces of recent 2x2 photo. So again guys, ito lang yung mga basics. So hindi pa kasama yan yung mga ibang requirements na hihingi ng mga agency. Next is how to apply. For walk-in application, pwede kayong pumunta directly sa agency office para mag-inquire, magpasa ng requirements. Maganda ito kung gusto kang may makausap agad na staff for instructions. Online application, para sa mga nasa malalayong lugar, pwede din kayong mag-inquire sa official website ng agency, mag-message lang kayo sa kanilang official Facebook page, or mag-email ng resume. So we will link the information in the description box. And also guys, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng trusted platform like workabroad.ph at syempre para sa latest updates naman, dito naman sa dmw.gov.ph. And for fraud advisory of course, na maging mapagmatsyag. Here are quick reminders, check kung DMW accredited yung agency, pero na-check na namin yan na DMW accredited talaga ito, pero check pa din. Anytime, pwede po kasi mag-change yan. Walang placement fee kung hindi ito allowed under DMW rules. Huwag magbayad ng GCash or personal account ng tao. Laging humingi ng OR o official receipt. I-verify ang job order number sa DMW website. Kapag masyadong maganda para maging totoo, check mo ulit. Your safety comes first. So yun nga mga ka-recruit, kung pangarap mo makapagtrabaho sa Europe at naghahanap ka ng stable, high-paying job, itong Finland Cleaner opportunity ay malaking chance para makapag-start ng bagong buhay abroad. Kung may tanong ka pa about requirements, agencies, or job orders, comment mo lang below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para sa more legit overseas job updates.